Wow.
My goodness, dumbness.
Go. We'll go here first. Nick.
Oh, I wish. I wanted to go back this weekend.
No, we're just going to, ano.
Sarap bumalik dito.
Morning, man.
Morning.
Balik natin sila.
Oo, balik
May
tayo
weekend,
dito. Yes, I like
Daddy,
it
look,
here.
fishing
The
allowed.
beach is so good.
You didn't bring anything to, ano,
To swim.
to swim. Hello.
Like your swimsuit.
Hindi naman, sinend ko na yung picture.
It's so nice.
Nag-ano lang kami,
Strolling.
up ng sariwang kain dito sa Miami Beach. 5 minutes lang eh.